everyone, this is Lisa with Homebody. So in this video, I am taking part in an open collaboration that's hosted by Catherine at Amateur Decorating. If you have not stopped by Catherine's channel, please do so. I have her link below, as well as the other participants in the playlist. So I'm going to be showing you guys one of my Christmas trees in this video. But before I do that, I want to show you guys how I'm going to make my Christmas tree topper. So basically what I'm doing is I took my ribbon and just overlapped itself on multiple times, and I'm going to do that for a bigger ribbon and a smaller ribbon. So once I do that, I'm going to get both ribbons, fold them in half, make little slits on the side, and take my Chanel tie and tie it in the middle of each ribbon. Then I'm going to fluff it out, and then I'm going to take the smaller ribbon, which is the black one, and overlap it over top of the bigger ribbon and just fluff it out. And then I'm going to add some longer ribbon to the bottom just so it can have like a tail hanging from my tree, and then I'm going to just roll that up to try to get it curly before I place it on my tree. So here is my completed Christmas tree topper. I think it came out really cute. I think I'm getting the hang of making these bows. I think I'll be making gigantic bows before you know it. But here's the Christmas tree and the top of the tree that I'm going to be placing my bow. I think this bow came out so cute, you guys. So I have my husband here with me again. He's going to help me get the bow on top of the tree. So here we are placing the bow on top of the tree, and afterwards I'm just going to give you guys just a short tour of the Christmas tree. Now I don't have a theme or anything on this tree. I just wanted glam items on the tree, so it's not just snowflakes or reindeer or just anything. It's just a glam Christmas tree. So yeah, so I guess you can say I have a glam theme then, I guess. So anyway, if you guys have not hit that subscribe button, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you to be a part of my channel, and go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up while you're at it. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.